Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an entire page in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to create similar pages without starting from scratch, saving you time and effort in your WordPress workflow. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then select All Pages from the left sidebar. This will display all the pages you've created on your website. Now scroll down through your list of pages and look for the one you want to duplicate. You'll notice several features and options available for each page. Ideally, you should see a duplicate this option, but if you don't see it yet, don't worry, we'll set that up in the next few steps. To make page duplication easy and accessible, we need to install a helpful plugin. Navigate to Plugins in your left sidebar and then select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for new plugins to add to your site. In the search bar, type Duplicate Page and press Enter. You'll see several results, but look for the plugin simply called Duplicate Page, which is a reliable and straightforward tool for this exact purpose. Once you've found the plugin, click Install. Now, WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically. After the installation is complete, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial because the plugin won't work until it's activated. Now that the installation is finished and the plugin is active, you can go back to All Pages. Find the page you want to duplicate and hover over it. You should now see the Duplicate This option appear alongside the usual Edit, Quick Edit, and Trash options. Click on Duplicate This and WordPress will instantly create a copy of your page, including all Elementor designs, layouts, and content. The duplicated page will appear in your page list with the same title followed by copy or a similar indicator, making it easy to identify. From there, you can edit the duplicate, change the content, and customize it however you need without affecting the original page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate an entire page in Elementor using a simple plugin. This method works perfectly for creating templates, testing new designs, or building similar pages quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.